on the gang. Slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gang. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down.
Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded again in a little while. I do apologise. I've got no excuse really. Well, I do, you know, life and work. But I know I should do better, so I apologise. I'm going to do a review on this hair. And it's from the company called Vshow hair. And they are quite affordable. So if you are interested in this hair, and you're interested to know what you get for £130, then keep watching. So, I do apologise. First of all, I apologise again. I feel like I've been saying nothing but sorries in this video, but I do apologise. Because when I watch a hair review, I like to see it from the point of unboxing, application, etc, etc. But my reviews don't tend to go like that because of limited time that I have. So I do apologise. You'll be seeing the packaging that the hair came in, and I'll just be talking to you about the hair. I ordered the hair a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and I got the message as soon as my payment went through to say that the delivery will be delayed due to the Chinese New Year. Now, I was gutted. I was gutted because I needed it before the 3rd of March. So to my surprise, the hair arrived yesterday. So it's a lot sooner than I expected. So that's a good thing. I ordered 22-inch Peruvian water wave hair at 150 density. There's 130, 150, and I think it might be 250. And the hair was about £130. For £130 to get 150% density, I thought was great. Usually you can only get like 130 for that money. Also, as well, the hair's 22-inch. I did want 24-inch, but I think 22-inch is the longest length that they did. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Having the hair on, I can see that, you know, the length is actually just right for me. It's fine. It's not too short. This is my first time ever ordering virgin curly hair. I'm used to straight hair or body wave hair, one of the two, but I never ordered curly hair. I actually shied away from it because I thought that it would take a lot more maintenance. So this is gonna be a trial for me. I hope I get on well with this hair. I hope I can keep it in good condition. Fingers crossed. So, yes, I was desperate for this hair. So, as soon as I came in from work last night and I picked up my parcel from my neighbour, I put the hair on. So, what I did, I got a nude stocking cap and I put it to here. I blasted it with freeze spray in the area of the hairline, and I blasted it with a got to be glued blasting freeze spray. I then put my foundation all over the hairline area. Then I cut the stocking cap to the shape of my hairline so it was stuck down. If you don't know what the stocking cap method is, YouTube it. There's loads of videos. People like Lexis Hair, people like Aaliyah J, they will show you how to do the stocking cap method. I am not a pro. I did it for the first time last night. Then I placed the hair on my head, and then, you know, I cut around the hairline, then used the got to be freezing spray and a tiny bit of glue, and then I applied it with my towel comb, trying to just place the lace in the glue and freezing spray and not the actual hair. Then I used the Cream of Nature Style and Shine foaming mousse to just sweep and create baby hairs. Then I tied it down overnight and bam, I woke up this morning and this is how the hair is. So, yeah. First thoughts about this hair. As soon as I took it out of the box, this is the box it came in. Vshow hair. I opened it up. The hair was in this plastic wallet which says 22-inch virgin hair. I must say it is true to length. This is 22-inch stretched hair length, by the way. So when you stretch it out, it should be to 22-inch, which it is. It definitely is. Came with a wig cap, not a nude web cap. Not a nude wig cap, but hey, I'm still thankful for the gesture. Came with eyelashes, same fashion as Beauty Forever hair. Don't wear eyelashes. I'd like to try wearing them this year, but looking at these, they do seem dramatic, but I'll see. It came with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender as well. Now that shocked me, that blew me away. I was like, wow. So not just one, not just two, but 3 gifts and a Beauty Blender Real Technique. Okay, you can never have enough beauty blenders, but I can't. So thank you very much. I'm happy with the packaging. And when I took the hair out, I smelled it and, you know, it just had a normal virgin hair smell. You know the normal virgin hair smell. It was nothing off-putting, so that was great. This is how the hair came. This is how the hair came. And as I said, lovely, lovely curl pattern. The only thing that I was concerned about when I took it out the box was how dry the ends felt. That's my only concern, but yeah, I don't really know much about curly hair, so I don't know if it's supposed to feel a bit dry on the end. I don't know, but yeah, that's my only concern. And then when I applied it, if you notice in the middle, it's got black dots where the lace is. Now for me, it's a bit weird because the rest of the hairline, the dots aren't as thick and it's not as black, it's not as prominent. And for me, if that's the center of your hair, the center of attention where the person, whoever you're talking to, that's where their focus is going to be, this should be seamless, it should be flawless, should be no black dots. Now, it's not really noticeable unless you're up in my face, but that's another con. So it's just 2 cons, the dryness of the ends and just the black dots on the center of the hairline. Other than that, I'm very impressed with this hair. The application was easy. So if you're not used to 360s, you're not used to frontals, and you want to give it a try, this is a beginner-friendly wig. I can assure you. I didn't have to pluck anything, bleach anything. All I did was cut off the lace, apply it on, sweep some baby hairs. I didn't even cut the baby hairs. They were really generous with the amount of baby hairs you get, by the way. I didn't have to cut baby hairs. I just sweeped it round, bam, done. Easy. 5-minute thing. Definitely beginner friendly. I got a little bit of practice because, you know, about a month ago I had a 360 weaving, so I got all my gluing practice from that. But yeah, definitely beginner friendly. Now, oh yeah, by the way, the glue that I used to apply it as well, only a tiny bit, is the Got To Be styling gel, and it's the black one, so that's what I use. Water and conditioner, just to give you an idea. Just water and conditioner. After this though, I'm gonna change this water, pour it out and put plain water, and just use plain water from now on. But I wanted conditioner on for the first time just because of the ends and stuff. So just any conditioner in the water bottle, or any conditioner at all. I like how the hair responds. I love how the hair responds. The curls are defined, and even more so when you put the water on it. And then I'm just going to put a tiny bit of leave-in conditioner, the Cantu leave-in conditioner in there. And a tiny bit of the mousse to help prevent the frizzing throughout the day. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Okay. Right. That's gorgeous. Love this hair. I think it's so pretty. So pretty. I should have done curly hair a long time ago, but let's see how it holds up first. I will be updating you on this hair, how it holds up. Now, a lot of people might be thinking, oh, you know, £130, is that even real hair? Well, I can assure you, I paid the similar price for Beauty Forever hair, and that hair held up to the very last moment. Even when I was taking it out, it was still in amazing condition. So it is real hair, it is very affordable. I don't know how the company affords to sell hair that good for a low price, but they must be doing something right. So I'm hoping Vshow hair is the same. I came across these people because I saw, you know, the sponsored Instagram advert. I came across this girl who had the exact same wig that she was promoting, the Peruvian water wave, and application was easy. It looked amazing. It looked like it was growing from her head. I also saw the YouTuber Tastemaker, and she had a straight one from Vshow hair, but again, application was amazing. It was so easy and it looked like it was growing from her head. It was so natural. So I'll put their names in the either the description box or the video. So yeah, that's how I came across this hair. It's not that I'm abandoning Beauty Forever hair, not at all, but Beauty Forever hair was out of stock with certain things at the time and I needed some hair. So I hope this video has been informative enough for you. I hope it's been very detailed. If you did like this video, if it was great, if you want to see more, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your support thus far. Thank you so much for your support. I'm very grateful. You know, I do enjoy making YouTube videos. It's just that life gets a bit crazy sometimes. So yeah. Oh, also this is the hair. I've got to wipe some of the glue though. It's kind of crusting there, but this is the hair if I'd had it up, or half up, half down. This is the back. It had a comb at the back and it has adjustable straps. I haven't done the adjustable straps actually. I should do that. And this is the lace if you wanted to wear it up and you lay that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go to work and have it down for the moment. So this is the hair. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.